How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. So we're going to announce our 2020 seed swap now for the 22nd of March. I'll get into details later. But I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what a seed swap is if you've never been to one. So basically you bring in your old seeds or any seeds that you have a surplus of, especially seeds you've collected yourself in your own garden, because those are from plants that have locally adopted the conditions already. You bring those in and you basically donate those at the seeds in table, and then you can take whatever seeds you like. So in that we're swapping seeds, and if you don't have any seeds to share, don't worry, you can just come in anyway and take whatever seeds you like and just make a small donation. Usually we suggest something like maybe 50 cents or maybe even €1 per packet of seeds that you're taking. Whatever, it's up to yourself. It's an honor system, so you can decide it. And we're also going to have a raffle to help fund the costs of running the event. So we're donating a lot of the prizes from Gardens for Life. We have about 40 plants that we're going to donate, perennial flowers mostly, and even some perennial vegetables too. And we have a few small garden tools and a few garden books and some plant labels, and whatever other sponsors that we can find. We might even be able to get some sponsors to actually give us a few prizes, and if so, we will be able to throw those into the raffle too. And if you have anything that you'd like to donate to the raffle, please just bring it in. We're also going to have a light refreshments table. If you'd like to bring anything in that you'd like to contribute with, then you can do that too. Let me see here. I have a list of features here. We're also going to have a talk on seed saving that I'm going to give to you, and Bianca, my wife, is going to give you a journey into the mysterious world of a microscopic world of seeds. So you can, if you'd like to join her on that one. Cost of entering the event is actually free, so there's no entry fee as such. But donations are welcome just to help us fund the event itself. Let me see here. Of course, we got free parking. I'll just show you a few pictures of what other seed swaps actually look like in other places. There's some of them around. There is one in Knockcroghery in Northern County Roscommon, and there is another one in Bristol. It's going for a long time as well, and another seed swap on the Isle of Man. Let me see here. So in order to sign up for the seed swap itself, you can just come in, or please do sign up just so we have an idea of what numbers we're expecting. If you could go to gardensforlife.ie/seed swap 2020, and if you scroll down a small bit, you'll see a place to type in your email address to sign up for it. And yeah, I think that's basically all there is to it. It's actually on in the Midlands of Ireland. The reason why I have to say that is because we have an international audience, of course, being on the internet. So it's actually in Knockcroghery Community Hall in County Roscommon, and that's about halfway between, roughly, Athlone Town and Roscommon Town. So it's fairly accessible for a lot of places, like a lot of the towns in the Midlands. And yeah, I hope to see you all there. And it's obviously a great chance to get to meet you all in person. And of course, for our audience to meet each other as well and have a good chat about gardening and everything else, like seeds and plants and tubers, of course. If we have seeds left over, normally there would be some left over at these seed swaps because people are very generous and they give more than they take. But whatever we have left over, we'd like to donate those seeds to a good cause. For example, some sort of a community garden project, or even a school garden or something like that. So if you're running a project like that, or if you know of one, please get on to us, and we'll try to get those seeds to you. And if there's lots of people applying, we'll split them, or we'll pick someone anyway. Yeah, I hope to see you all there. Thanks for watching. All the best. Bye bye.